Does everyone agree? Yes. So now as we look to the future, our collective effort is driven by three essential pillars: creative technology, placemaking, and cultural statistics. These pillars are vital in ensuring that by 2030, the Philippines becomes a beacon of culture-led innovation and a preferred partner in the global creative economy community. Through creative technology, we will harness the power of emerging tools, as mentioned earlier, like virtual reality, augmented reality, and of course, artificial intelligence, and other innovations as technology continues to develop. And we will equip Filipino creatives to push boundaries in content creation and productivity. With these advancements, the Philippines will enhance its competitiveness and market reach on the global stage. Meanwhile, creative placemaking will transform our cities and communities by embedding arts and culture into urban development, creating vibrant spaces that promote economic growth, social cohesion, and a strong sense of identity. Our focus on placemaking will inspire growth within our local economies and enhance the profile of creative cities, making the Philippines a global destination for business, tourism, and learning. Finally, by focusing on creative and cultural statistics, we ensure that our policies and strategies are backed by data-driven insight. And I see Mr. Ellis nodding his head as our expert on statistics. The collection and analysis of comprehensive data will empower us to make informed decisions, optimize intellectual property, and invest where it matters most, fostering sustainable growth across the creative industries. Together with the NCCA and the British Council, we are committed to scaling and expanding our efforts to build a stronger creative ecosystem that drives more resilient jobs, knowledge exchange, and new investments. This will lead to better products, greater innovation, and enhanced global profile for the Philippines as a creative nation.